In 1932, Australia went to war. Not against another country, against emus. Thousands of emus were destroying farms in Western Australia, so the government sent in the military. With machine guns, soldiers set up ambushes. The emus ran, they split into groups, zigzagged, and outran the trucks. The guns jammed and the birds escaped. After weeks of fighting, the military admitted defeat. Official results? The emus won. The Australian Army withdrew. To this day, it's remembered as the Great Emu War, the only war Australia lost to birds.